Hey y'all. So today I am going to make a breakfast hash brown casserole. So let's get into it. Okay, so in a large bowl, you're going to mix 16 ounces of sour cream. Now I want to say I do have the oven preheating to 350. You're going to add a 10.5 ounce cream of chicken. You're going to have a half a stick of melted butter. And add half of a small onion chopped. That butter was unsalted butter. You're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to add a little more onion powder. And mix well. You're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese of your choice. I'm going to add the 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna add a 30-ounce bag of frozen shredded hash browns. Just gonna mix a little at a time. You wanna make sure that all of the hash browns are covered. So it should look like that. Okay, so now you want to transfer the casserole into a 9 by 13 grease dish. So I'm just gonna grease this up so nothing sticks. Okay, so now you're gonna top this with 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And I'm gonna use the sharp cheddar for the top. All right, so you're gonna cover this with foil and bake it in the oven for 45 minutes on 350. And here you have it, the cheesy casserole. So now for the taste test. First bite. Yummy. Don't mind that cheese hanging, I'll get it. Mmm. You can taste the sour cream. You can taste the cheese, the hash browns, the seasoning. Just on point. Just on point. Guys, give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment below. Share this video out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Until next time.